Hey guys, what are you up to today?
We're gonna make a sponge cake. But not any sponge cake, an old school sponge cake.
Oh, very nice.
Look at this.
So Poppy
Green.
is gonna help me put the sugar in.
I will put sugar.
So see, take this. This is a quarter cup because I have a full cup and a half cup. But a lot of the recipes is like a cup and a quarter. So I'm just using the quarter cup today. You know. More you know. Right, so put this in here. We don't have a lot of caster sugar left. Actually, I'm going to get more. So, Poppy can't read this, but I wrote down the recipe. So it's 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Oh, that's a very small amount, but good job. Maybe we try what we see. Okay. Good job. Now, we need 5 of these.
I can skip it.
Okay, we'll put it in here if you're putting it in. Good job. And I'll help you along and I'll do. Oh.
It is. Can I get it with the spoon?
Yeah, but you have to put it in here, okay?
So how many cups is that?
So we'll have 2 now. We need to have 5. So good job, Poppy. I'll just fill the rest of that cup for you. So that's 3. So that makes a cup and a quarter if you're using a big cup. Let me see, take this and you pour it into here. Into this one. Yep. Keep going. Oh, keep going. We're just about made it.
So what's in here?
So this is just 175 grams of butter and 1 1/4 cups of caster sugar. You have to just all around. Do you want to take the big one?
No. I want to take the big one.
Okay.
Please take the small one.
Okay, I'll hold the bowl for you. It does sometimes when you use the whisk, it gets a bit all stuck inside, so we'll have to give it a wee second. Yep, we will need to just, it looks like scrambled egg now. We'll have to shake it all out and do it again. Oh, maybe 2 mixers are better than 1. Oh, I'll let Poppy do her big mix. Yeah.
Good job.
Yes, oh my goodness, Poppy mixed his eggs. And you know how many we need? Guess how many we need.
What?
Guess.
What?
How many eggs do you think we need? So that's what it should look like with the butter and sugar combined. And then you don't want the mixture to split. Oh, it's not open. You don't want the mixture to split, so you need to put a little bit of flour in. When you crack the egg. And we need 4 eggs. Poppy never got to the bottom of that, but we need 4.
Look at this. Good girl know how to cook an egg.
And not a shell in there.
What? Look at
And then wait. No, you have to do it one by one. It really, honestly, it tastes different if you do them all together. And you mix it all up. Alright, so you get your next egg ready.
Okay.
You show Daddy your egg.
Ah!
You do stir and I'll hold the bowl for you.
Is it not going to be nice when I taste it in the air?
Oh no, it is.
Can you put flour in?
Do you want a pinch of flour? You want to put a pinch of flour in?
Yeah.
a little pinch of flour makes the medicine go down.
Not that much. Well, I'll just deduct that from when I'm putting the the flour in next time.
Oh, look at floury hands.
I'll wait until she's finished this egg.
Oh, look at this. Go on, Poppy. Hey, a wee splashback from that one.
Oh, well, let me help you with this one. Just because there's a lot of shell. Give me that. Good job.
Nicely.
Yucky. Now, I need to move Poppy for 2 wee seconds. Sorry to interrupt all this. Hold on. I just need to move you 2 wee seconds.
I need
She wants scooched.
Oh, you want scooched?
I
Give us a little bit of scooch.
didn't preheat the oven.
my
To 160 degrees. Put the eggs over here now that we're done with them. So Poppy doesn't get any ideas. Yay! Just a wee bit of shell out. This is what it should be looking right about now. Pretty watery. But we're going to put the flour in now. But you have to fold the flour in. You do not. Yes. Yes. Poppy, tell them the science bit. Why do you not mix the flour? Why do you fold it in? Do you know why? Because it makes the cake more light and airy if you fold it in. If you just mix it in, it makes it really dense and horrible. It's like soup right now. Put it in here. Another wee bit. That'll make 1/4 cup. Another wee bit. Remember to tap the bottom of it. Tap the bottom to get it all out. No, that. Of this guy. Right, well, we'll say that was 1/4 cup. So we'll do 3. First of all, just put it in bit by bit. So we'll put 3 in. Put it in there.
Can I tap it?
Yeah, here.
I will tap it. Can I have the cup and I will put a big
You
one?
can put, okay, well then.
Oh, a big one. Yeah.
Sorry.
Mommy!
You want the biggest one, do you, Poppy?
I need to keep track of how many she's putting in. Right.
Whoa.
That's enough for now.
I don't
Poppy.
think. I will tap it.
Okay. That's too much now.
Hey, Poppy, that's too much.
Right, that's too many now.
That's too many, Poppy.
Put 1 cup of flour in, and then I'm going to put, you have to alternate between milk and flour. I'm not 100% sure why, but a lot of recipes say that, and I've always done it, and it's always come out nice. I don't have the science bit for that, sorry.
Show me your science, Poppy. Ooh.
Maybe Poppy could do Mummy a favour. Maybe Poppy could put butter on her hands and rub it over that.
Oh, that sounds like a fun job.
Buttery.
So
Take the sugar out?
No. Do you need to take the sugar out?
Yes. Why would there be sugar in there?
Okay.
It's just to grease the pan.
Hey, Poppy, you put that on your hands?
Where's that recipe?
Hey.
Let me double check I'm doing this right.
Hey, just stick your hands in it. Just stick your hands in the butter.
Did you see the baking powder? For anyone that cares to know, I'm putting to a tablespoon of baking powder in too.
Wait, can I put it on my hands as well?
Yeah.
What?
Butterfingers.
I don't really like.
Don't put it on your face.
I having to do that. And I put it in the pan. Don't just put it
Oh
over
yeah.
each other.
Yeah, here, Poppy, we gotta put it into here. Put butter into here. Make sure we get it all buttered up, okay? All buttered up.
All buttered up.
What do you call it? The cat's in the butter and the silver spoon. Little goats coming to take the moon.
Put it on your arms like toast.
Oh, flip. Look at butter. This butter's not coming off my hands.
Yeah, I know. Because you're meant to wipe it off with a dry cloth because of like this texture of it.
Oh my god, really? Oh.
Did you even butter the pan or what's happened here?
I will be a butter
Butter monster? Okay.
Yeah, for Halloween.
That sounds like a great idea.
Let's see, Poppy. What?
No, I only permitted that you make that mess if you put butter in the pan.
Oh yeah, you've got to put the butter in the pan now, Poppy. Okay,
It
so
has to be all greased up.
right, you got to put it all over the sides and everything, okay? Everywhere. That's it, Poppy. Get your butter everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere I'm buttering. And in there. Go, Poppy. You've got lumps of it now. Oh, that's all smushy and gushy and blah, 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 butter.
Put the last of the flour in, and then that will be that. We'll be able to put it in. Quite simple, make a sponge cake.
My hand,
Poppy, don't be putting that in your
Put
face.
sugar in it!
Does she?
Mommy, no sugar. Right, I have to do this properly. Oh, it's all sugary.
Okay, so what stage of the situation we're looking at now?
So we're pretty much at the final stage, putting it in my now butter sugary tin. This is a bit too big. This because I wanted square shape. I didn't want to have to go out to the shop because there's a pandemic on. Can't go for unnecessary things.
Right?
Right? So I used all the ingredients that we had in the house.
Happy days. I always wanted a squeak.
A what?
A squeak?
What's that?
A square cake?
So yeah, we are pretty much at the final stage. We will cook it for about 40. I never really know, like recipes will say how long you cook it for, but it really is just going back and having to check after like 40 minutes, half an hour, and then just testing it to see. We don't want to waste any, so we'll try and get it all out.
Hey, don't you be touching me with those buttery paws, please. Not a chance.
And then
Look how the cake's turned out, Poppy.
even it out.
Is that after it's cooked? Yeah.
I didn't realise how much butter should make the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole
Look,
thing.
I don't need that for any buttercream because we're not using buttercream today.
Right?
bum, bum, bum.
This is actually not as much mess. I'm going to make chocolate cake with it. Maybe because like chocolate's just worse because it's like darker. Right, I need to get this in the oven, so I need butter monster. I need you to vacate the premises.
Right, let's put this. Oh, I got some butter on my finger. Ah.
Give me the butter. This towel's gonna be ruined. Poppy!
Poppy.
Please don't get the butter monster.
Hey.
Don't
Hey.
touch anything!
Poppy, honestly, Poppy, you gotta put your hands in that towel now. Hey, come back here and put your hands in that towel. There's butter there everywhere, butter.
Poppy, come
I'm
on.
the burn monster.
That was my idea too.
Eh.
Right in the middle, so
Can I sit
don't
here?
pretend that's not the case.
Can I sit here?
Okay.
Yes.
No, just you be careful though with that hob on. Look at how this has turned out.
2 hours.
Beautiful.
That is not hot.
It's cold now. It was hot and now it's cold.
Yeah, so we took it out of the oven there to cool down, and now it's all ready to have its topping pasted on. Who's doing this here bit? Huh?
I'll put the jam on and Poppy can put the coconut on. No, I didn't make my own jam. This is store-bought. I'll hide the brand. I'm really excited. It's strawberry jam for anyone that cares out there. Oh.
I don't like strawberry
Ooh.
jam.
But you eat strawberry yogurts every day.
No, you've had this before, Poppy. You do like it. Don't be silly. Right, so coconut. Oh, Poppy turned the oven off.
She turned the oven off.
Right, Poppy, you do this. I'll show you.
You take a bit of coconut, Poppy.
I'll hold the bag. You take a handful of coconut. You should put it all. Try and do it evenly. Don't do one big lump.
Wow. Phenomenal.
A classic cake in Northern Ireland.
A classic cake made in primary schools all over the country. Nothing reminds you more of your primary school days than some lovely coconut and jam cake.
I think we're pretty much done.
Yeah, that's looking great. Good enough to eat, I'd say. So yeah, that's pretty much ready to go now. Well, guys and girls, thank you very much for watching the video today. I hope you had a very good time. Alright guys, say see you later, frolks.
See you later, folks.
See you later, folks.